Mawasile and fellow South Africans, now that I have your attention, not that I was looking for it, but I see I have it. Busy, hands off, pumla, yada yada yada. Now that we finally understand injustice, now that we finally understand bullying, let's talk. Let's take it back to 2022. Naniphi umfundisi umlombi esoqutha isonka sabantwana bakhe engenzanga nto. Nathula. It was okay. It was normal to you. Naniphi kukhutshwa inkosikazi amfundisi emission yaseWesile that the same man has served for years. Now myself, I have served the church as inkosikazi yomfundisi. Ndakhutshwa isokwenja. Kwakufika amapolisa esimelele nge-rifles ingathi uzokhutshwa umgulukudu emission. On top of that, as if that was not enough ukutraumatize abantwana bam ngamapolisa ase-South Africa ephethe rifles ezokhupha nemission. As if that was not enough, I was then unlawfully arrested. Isitokisi mina ndaqala ukuhlala esitokisini because of icawa. Naniphi? Where were you? But now that you understand injustice, ndifuna ukuthi kuni justice for umfundisi umlombi. Makanikeze isitishi sakhe akenzanga nto emntwini. If ndimo wrong, by the way, icawa khange ndivele suke ndiyithuke because of the abuse of power by leaders aseWesile, from uPurity to uPhumla lo. The same two women who are now abandifakela amatyala abandibophisayo again ngo-2026 for the wrongdoings of the church. Nihambe wrong at this time. I'm not going to leave you. And mind ukuyibhanta intela inyaniso. Njengoba ningamamenemene South Africans, including amaWesile, ndizayimela inyani if kufuneke ndiyifele, and I'm fighting here for i-rights zabantwana bam. I'm simply fighting for i-rights zabantwana bam. And as for myself, as a South African woman, I'm fighting for myself because no one will. And none who pretend to be caring, oh no, let this go, you'll be arrested. Where the fuck were you when I was arrested? Where the fuck were you when amaphara ayikhupha impahla zami eWesile entike kwimense yaseWesile zilahlela ngaphandle kungena amaphara undocumented foreigners? Mna ndakhutshwa ngamakwerekwere angekho documented. I can bet now they wouldn't tell you who took impahla zami out of emission. Dalala phandle ndacelela abantwana bami indawo yokulala. Sorry, there was a call coming. It's funny now that today you are chanting your justice for Uphumla. Uphumla, I'm not done with you. By the way, there is a case got 2012 that you are busy trying to shove undercover. A case that could possibly shut down iWesile. I keep getting disturbed by calls of people who are claiming to care. And I keep getting calls from caring people. Where were those caring people when I was on the streets with my kids? Where were those caring people? So right now, I don't need your care. I just need you to grow a backbone. For once, have a backbone and tell the truth. Stand for the truth. I don't need your care. I think God has done it. He's been doing it for years. He's had my back. I do not need you to be like, oh no, we're doing this for you. Uzobanjwa. Kudala ndabanjwa. Again, recently benbanjiwe. Where were you? So stop it. Stop it. Fair enough, nifuna icawa yenu iphathwe ngophumla abajola bodwa balalana ngecarrots ne-cucumbers. Fine, I've decided uba uKristu kakade kudala wa relocate. iWesile uKristu kudala wa relocate. But andizoniyeka, and for that matter, njengoba ililifa lokhokho benu nami lilifa lokhokho bam, I was born and bred in the Methodist, andizokhutshwa ngumuntu. If kuthiwa icawe kaThixo, then uThixo makehle ngokwakhe azondikhuphe eWesile.
Hi everybody, Sanibonani and welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So recently, you guys, Queen Nandi from Nandi and the Rev reality show made an appearance in court. To be honest, you guys, I'm not sure which case she was making an appearance for, because a while ago, right, around the time when she was kicked out of the church house where she lived with her husband and her family, there was a case that had been opened against her. Like she said in that video, that the first time that she slept in a cell was because of a church. And then she also did mention that recently she did get arrested again I guess maybe the church or church members opened another case against her. Unandi has been fighting with the Methodist Church for like forever, because at some point she was exposing some secrets as a Sonto, and they did not like that. In their response, they fired her husband from the ministry and then kicked her and her family out of the house that they had lived in their whole lives, their whole married lives. So that is what started the beef. Even after the court cases, Nandi never stopped talking about the church. Not only did she not stop talking about the church, she did not stop going to church with her husband or with her family, but she has always been open about the things that are happening in the church, you guys, and how the church might be trying to hide some things, some cases that have been opened against the church and all of that, you guys. Just too much politics for church. Okay, I always feel like if you're going to church, you go for peace, but I don't even feel like there's peace in the Methodist church the way that people that go there sometimes talk on social media. So they attended court with her husband. Of course, people in the comment section were surprised that they're still together with her husband. I don't think that they are ever going to break up, these two. They just love each other. Even with that, you guys, she is still continuing to talk about the church, and even, swearing at some people when, she feels like it's okay. Nandi is not really the person that you would want to fight with, because she can fight with you for the next 10 years. Like, you never get any rest if you start a fight with Queen Nandi. But anyways, you guys, that's what's going on. They did attend court, and from what she says in the video, it looks like she's still having issues with the church. Now, you guys, her and her husband and family recently moved to a new house, and I was happy to see that, because from the show, you guys remember that it was indicated that they do not have a home of their own, that they were living at a friend's house, and later on they ended up having a dispute there because Nandi did not want to move out, and the lady said that she wanted her house back because it had been rented for her by the show. So recently on social media, it looks like they've moved to their new house, and that is wonderful for her and the family. I was hoping, you guys, that if they've moved to a new house, that I'm hoping it's an indication that they are going to be shooting the new season of the show. I know a lot of people did not like the show. I loved that show. I did like it was a good reality show. I don't want to lie. So I wouldn't mind getting another season of the show. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like it before Pumegli video, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.
Yes, I was just thinking, akwamntu judgmental ngathi ngumKristu ohule rhuthi ukukhuleni kwakhe, amora amadoda azothi ebudaleni I found Christ. About judgmentally aba bantu, and I'll be looking at them like, sis, we knows you was a hoe. So shut up, my sister, because thina xa sinokuxelela thina uKristu sazana naye sisengabantwana waqala semncinane ukumkhonza uThixo, we look at you like matter of fact usamdinga uKristu wena ukamfumana incam, because if ubumazi esijajwe nguwe, not you. Bangasijaja bonke, not you.